How to recover a deactivated Yahoo account due to inactivity. So in this video, I will show you how to discuss or how to obtain your deactivated Yahoo account if you're actually been inactive for a long time. First thing you need to do is to head over to their website, which is login.yahoo.com. From in there, you can just input your email, your mobile, or your username that you have previously used from Yahoo. Now, I have in here this help article that can help us. So if you're planning to recover your Yahoo account, you need to do this within 30 days of closing it, and longer periods for accounts, for example, Australia or New Zealand, 90 days, Brazil, Hong Kong, Taiwan, or India, 180 days. So on default, it's actually 30 days of closing. If you still want to recover it, you need to head over and sign in, enter your credentials, and then verify your recovery information, create a new password, and continue. However, if it's been deactivated due to inactivity, then there's no way to actually recover it anymore since Yahoo deemed that you're not using their service anymore. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really helps support the channel. And if you got a question, just drop it in the comments.